Watch closely as the woman lifts her skirt to reveal a cry for help written on her leg. The proctor quickly puts on his glasses to get a better look. But the man behind her kicks the woman's stool, forcing her to sit back down. The woman's neighbor immediately writes another help message in her notebook, then crumples it into a ball and tosses it near the podium. The teacher notices it and hurries over to pick it up for a closer look. But just then, Lisa raises her hand with a question and asks the teacher to come over, so the teacher tosses the crumpled note into the trash, mistaking it for scrap paper. Left with no choice, the woman throws her lipstick over to her neighbor Amy. Amy catches on to what she means and uses the lipstick to write a help message on the floor. She then walks over to the trash can and retrieves the crumpled note and carefully places it into the teacher's hands. The teacher quickly heads back to the podium and writes something down on a piece of paper, then calls Amy up to the front and has her pass the note to the janitor. He then grabs a bottle of water and deliberately spills it on the woman just as the man angrily scolds the teacher for being careless. The teacher quietly tells the woman not to worry, he's already called the police. At that moment, the janitor Jake walks over and asks if the teacher was looking for him. The teacher introduces Jake to the class, praising his hard work, then asks him to sweep the floor around the man's area. Little did anyone know that just as Jake was about to take the man's bag, he nearly got caught. Soon it was time to turn in the exams. The students filed out one after another, but just as the man was about to leave with the woman, the teacher stepped in and stopped them both, accusing them of cheating, and right there on the spot, tore up both of their answer sheets. The man instantly snapped, pulled out his weapon, ready to fight back, but was taken away on the spot by the detective who had just arrived.